Hello, and welcome back to PTE Tutorials. Today we'll be going over the Pearson Test of English Academic Listening. Specifically, we will be preparing you for the highlighting of incorrect words section. The content of this presentation is we will introduce to you the highlighting of the incorrect words, as well as giving you the test instructions. We'll go over the scoring. We'll give you a step-by-step strategy. And then we will conclude by giving you an actual sample question. So for the highlighting of incorrect words, you will be presented with a recording as well as its transcription. You will have to listen carefully and then mark down all the differences between the recording as well as the transcription. This question type will be looking at both your listening and reading skills. So the instruction from the actual exam will be: you will hear a recording. Below is a transcription of the recording. Some words in the transcription will differ from what the speaker said. Please click on the words that are different. Scoring for this will be, for each correct answer, you will receive 1 point, but if you also have a wrong answer, you will receive a negative point. Do not take any guesses. If you do not know, it is a better strategy to not click anything. Some general tips in order to excel would be: skim the text quickly to see what should be said, and then move your cursor over the text as the recording is playing. If you notice a difference, then you can click. Adjust the volume to your comfort. You want to be able to hear what you're listening, but you also don't want to be in pain, because that will also distract you. Now for a sample question. We will now present to you a sample question. I will be following along and trying to highlight anything that I see to be different from the recording.
From the comfort of our modern lives, we tend to look back at the turn of the 20th century as a dangerous time for sea travelers. With limited communication facilities and shipping technology still in its infancy, in the early 1900s we considered ocean travel to have been a risky business. But to the people of the time it was one of the safest forms of transport. At the time of the Titanic's maiden voyage in 1912, there had been only 4 lives lost in the previous 40 years on passenger ships on the North Atlantic crossing, and the Titanic was confidently proclaimed to be unsinkable. She represented the pinnacle of technological advance at the time. Her builders, crew, and passengers had no doubt that she was the finest ship ever built. But she still did sink on April 14, 1912, taking 1,517 of her passengers and crew with her. From the comfort of...
So as we've just listened, we can see that we've highlighted some different ones. Let's see if they were correct. From the comfort. So I got this one wrong, but since I didn't highlight any other ones, I will receive no negative points. Had I highlighted the wrong one, such as modern, I would have lost a point. The same goes back for look. However, technology was correct. I missed travel as well, but I would have received a point for 1912. Also, down at pinnacle, I would have gotten another point. And I also lost no points for not having clicked on finest. So use this as an example and make sure that when you're practicing, you're listening carefully. Thank you for your time. We really appreciate it. And we look forward to seeing you in our next video.